Okay, let us continue with the second alligation technique, which is the alligation alternate. With alligation alternate, we can determine the amount of each mixture needed to produce a desired strength. Let us see the example that we have here, which required us to determine the amount or the proportion of alcohol 95 and alcohol 50% to produce alcohol 70%. So the method will determine the difference between the strength that is available and the strength that we are going to produce. Okay, I will show you how to calculate this. Okay, so here you are what you have in your pharmacy is alcohol 95% and alcohol 50%. Okay, and you want to produce alcohol 70%. So the method will require you to cross subtract. Okay, so you have your alcohol 95 here and your alcohol 50 here, and what you want to produce is alcohol 70. Okay, so alcohol 95 and alcohol 50, you are going to mix them to produce alcohol 70. So in this alligation method, you would need to subtract between 95 and 70, which will be 25. 95 minus 70, the difference is 25, and 70 minus 50, the difference is 20. So here, the total of these two would be 45. Okay? Okay. So, from here, you would know that (20) parts of alcohol 95 would be needed in the mixture, and 25 parts of alcohol 50 would be needed in the mixture. So the relative amount is 20 to 25 or 4 to 5. It means that from here you would know that in order to produce alcohol 70%, you would need 20 parts of alcohol 95%. Okay, the 20 parts is for alcohol 95, and 25 part of alcohol 50. 25 part of alcohol 50% would be needed. So it means that 20 to 25 parts, 4 to 5 part. So if you want to produce a 10 ml mixture, okay, of 70% alcohol, so what should you do? 4 over 5 times 10 equal 4 over 9 times 10 equal, this would be the quantity of alcohol 95 needed, and 5 over 9 times 10 ml, this would be the quantity of 50% alcohol needed. So how much that would be? Four over 9 times 10, that would be here 4.4 ml, and 5 over 9 here would be 5.6 ml. Okay. Okay, so this means that to get 70% alcohol, 4 parts of 95% alcohol should be mixed with 5 parts of 50% alcohol. So parts, again, it will refer to ml. Okay, so this is some examples that you can try. You can try by yourself. Okay, I already provided the answer. Okay, the last one for this lecture is the density calculation. So as you already know, density equals to weight over volume. So again, weight will refer to gram and volume will refer to ml. So as an example, liquid paraffin has a density of 0.85 gram per ml. So you can please try to calculate the amount needed in ml to prepare 20 gram of emulsifying ointment. So based on the formula given, okay, if you want to prepare 100, sorry. Okay, if you want to prepare 100 gram of emulsifying ointment, the amount of liquid paraffin needed would be 20 gram, right? Because it's 20% weight per, sorry, there's a mistake there. It's supposed to be weight per weight. Okay, it's not weight per volume. The formula should be white soft paraffin, weight per weight, emulsifying ointment, 30% weight per weight, and liquid paraffin, 20% weight per weight. Okay. Okay, so for 100 gram of emulsifying ointment, you would need 20 gram of liquid paraffin. 20 gram of liquid 20 gram is equal to 20 gram of liquid paraffin. So if you want to prepare 20 gram of emulsifying ointment, how much of liquid paraffin would you need? So if 20 gram in 100 gram of emulsifying ointment, so if you are going to prepare 20 gram of emulsifying ointment, you would need 4 gram of liquid paraffin. Okay, liquid paraffin 4 gram. So how many milliliter does this correspond to? So you can convert this by using the density calculation. So as density equal to weight over volume, so the density is 0.85 gram over mil equals 4 gram divided by ml. So how many ml will it be? 4 over 0.85. Okay, so this will be 4.7 ml. Okay, so 4.7 ml liquid paraffin would be needed to prepare 20 gram of emulsifying ointment. Okay. So as a summary, okay, so there's two type of alligation method. There's alligation median and alligation alternate, and you can use the two type of alligation correspondingly depending on the type of question. And also the density calculation, you have to know the formula, and the density value is usually available in the BPC, but if it's not available in BPC, you can Google them, but in the exam usually I will provide the density value if needed. So thank you for your attention. That will be all for lecture 3. We will continue with our lecture 4. Thank you.